Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we're going to learn how to view your layaway orders from Sears. If you don't have a Sears account, we will put a link in the description below for you to sign up. But if you already have an account, just open the website, then click Sign In. On the drop-down list, you will see an option that says Sign In for Member Perks. Click on Sign In for Member Perks. Now, sign in with your email and password. Once you're signed in, you will see a drop-down arrow at the upper right side of the screen. Click on the drop-down arrow. Then a drop-down list will appear. Click on your layaway. Here, you will see the list of your layaway order. That's how you view your layaway orders from Sears. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos almost every day. Also check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.